Shall I put some of this? Have you done all the in there?
Yeah, I think we.
May the Earth Mother bless this cake, bring fertility, fruitfulness, health and strength, joy and goodwill to all those who share her gifts. In the names of the old ones, so mote it be.
Someone has a really cool name. This is the apple tree.
May the old ones bless and guard these trees and bring us apples for the future.
Cheers to bring our grateful thanks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's one other part of the wassail that you all have to participate in. You have to have some of the soda.